Hey, welcome to another video. My name is Brewer. I am the seven-figure affiliate marketer running this $0 to $2,500 in affiliate commissions, affiliate marketing case study. In this case study, I'm taking a brand new Instagram account with a new campaign, and I am showing you exactly step by step how I'm going to take this from $0 to $2,500 without leveraging my existing list, audience, authority, or past earnings. So this is a 3-week update. We're 3 weeks into this case study now, and I think I've uncovered the best content strategy for driving traffic and leads as a new affiliate marketer in the way that I teach affiliate marketing. And that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. I'm going to take you inside to the Instagram account, and I'm going to show you exactly the type of content you want to be creating to get the most views, the most leads, and the most growth on your account so you make the most money long term. So this is going to be really incredible. Before I bring up my Instagram account, I just want to point out that if you have missed the first 3 videos of this series, this is actually video number 4 of the case study. There's actually 3 videos prior to this where I show you, which product I'm promoting, how to set up the funnel, my content strategy, all that good stuff. I'll go ahead and link those down below this video, maybe in the description or on buttons right below this video, depending on where you're watching this video. So what are we doing here, right? Well, we're doing affiliate marketing. We're doing a very specific type of affiliate marketing that I've seen beginners see the most success with. And the cool thing about the content that is working, right, the exact videos that I'm going to show you right now, is this actually gives you a beginner's advantage. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my Instagram account, and we'll just go ahead and look at the videos. That way you can see exactly what you need to be doing. And what you're going to see here when I pull this up is you as a beginner have an unbelievable advantage, and the type of content that you want to be creating based on my actual real live test results, it makes it super simple. It's basically a no-brainer. If you can just get your funnel set up, which doesn't take long, I'll show you how you can copy mine in just a minute, and then just create 1 to 2 15 to 60-second videos every single day, you have a real opportunity to make money, and I'm going to show you why. So this is the Reel section from the Instagram account, and once again, we're 3 weeks into this. And if you look at this account, you're going to see I've created basically 3 or 4 different style of videos. I've created the traditional hook story offer videos where I create a hook that has a pain point or pleasure trigger for my ideal customer. Then I tell a story to bring them in, and then I make an offer, which in this case is click the link in my bio. I've also created teaching videos like this simple 3-step process for making money online. I've also created these text over videos. These are basically 15-second videos where I don't even talk. I just put some text over the screen. And then I've created these update videos as well. So those are really the 4 types of videos that I've created. I also experimented with this one right here, the answering questions, that has 95 views. And if you can see here, keep in mind this most recent video I just posted like minutes ago, so it's too early to tell now. But if you can see here, there's 2 types of videos that are really outperforming the other videos, and that's what we're looking for, right? Because if we have an automated system that converts leads into commissions for us, then we just need to focus on traffic. That's all we need to do, right? We let the automation take care of the rest. Well, the 2 types of videos that are outperforming the other 2 or 3 types is these update videos, right? Where I just give an update, basically share my journey with this case study, maybe give some numbers, talk about how many views I've gotten, maybe mention how many leads I've generated, all that good stuff. Those are doing really well. You can see 230 views on this one, 760 views on this one, 710 views on that one. Day 8 was 498 views, and the day 4 update had 962 views. So that is outperforming all the videos overall. I'll tell you how you can use that to your advantage in just a second. But the other type of video that's really doing very well is these no talking text videos, right? This is super simple to do. Like, you don't even have to say anything. You just record yourself doing something, sitting in your truck, looking at the camera. I was walking down the street, and this one that has 391 views. And you just put some text that gets people excited about the product that you're offering, right? And for these no talking, just text videos, all I'm doing is looking at other people who are promoting the same product. And it's really quite comical. I'm just seeing what they're doing, seeing what videos have done the best for them, and I'm copying them, right? Like copying the same text, just obviously using my face instead. So those are the type of videos that are getting the most views, getting the most followers, getting the most attention, and generating the most leads. So the question now is, how do you use that to your advantage, right? Well, if you've been following this case study, you know that for this case study, I'm promoting an affiliate marketing education program. And I know that sounds a little bit crazy as a beginner, but there's a reason why I see the most beginners have success by actually promoting the affiliate marketing course that they took. So the reason this works so well is because when you're first getting started as a marketer, you need to learn the product you're promoting. I mean, that's just a no-brainer. When you go and take an affiliate marketing education course first, well, not only are you learning the product, but you're learning how to market. So you're going to learn a lot of cool stuff about, creating content and community and stuff like that. That's going to help you make the high ticket commissions. But what happens here is when you go on this journey, after you purchased an affiliate marketing course that has an affiliate program that you can join that will pay you a high ticket commission, you are going to have to work a series of steps, right? You're going to have to build your funnel. You're going to have to create your first piece of content. You're going to get your first lead. You're going to get your first commission. You're going to get your first high ticket commission, right? Those things are going to happen pretty much in that order. Might take 2 weeks, might take 2 months. We don't know. But the bottom line is you can just document your journey. So what's going to happen here is as you're documenting your journey, obviously that makes content creation super simple. The other cool thing is it helps keep you motivated because you have something to keep going, so it'll keep you showing up and help you stay consistent. But what happens here is who's going to be interested in that, right? Well, people who want to learn about if you can really make money online, right? So when you attract these type of people, they watch your videos for longer, or they like them, or they might comment on them, or they might click over to the bio to get the link, right? What happens here is Instagram sees that as an engagement signal. So what they're going to do is they're going to try to find more people who might be interested in learning if you can make money online. Well, when you attract those type of people and you're showing them, hey, here's the process, the next thing that happens is they start to build belief in themselves. They're like, oh, maybe I can do this because this person is showing me, hey, the funnel wasn't that hard, the content wasn't that hard, here's exactly the type of content that I need to create, right? So what they do is they start to believe in themselves. And if they believe in themselves, then they're going to be likely to buy. Because if they believe in themselves, then they know that they will make money. So the buying of the course becomes a no-brainer, right? Their objections are removed because they believe it's going to work for them. So when you attract those people and start to attract more of those people as the algorithms start to try to find more people who might be interested in a journey or a case study or something like this, then eventually you're going to get people who click over and take action. And because you're promoting the thing that taught you, if they're interested in what you're teaching, then they're going to be highly interested in the thing that taught you, right? This is the learn, do, teach formula for affiliate marketing. I know it sounds crazy, but you can actually help other people through this. So hopefully there's some light bulbs going off, right? What do? You learn the product, you get the skills, you talk about what you're learning. When you teach, you start mastering. Right? After you do something, you teach it. You just simply share what you've done. Share your wins, any win, right? I got my first funnel launch. And then people are going to be like, this is exciting. I want to be a part of it. They're going to click. They're going to get on your email list, and some of them are going to buy. That's how freaking simple it is, guys. I mean, it's nothing to it other than the willingness to share your journey on social media and the ability to stay consistent and stay excited about the tiny wins until the results start coming. Because once the results start coming, once they start coming in, that's when you're going to be able to leverage those results. And then what's going to happen is when you start talking about your success, all the people around the fence are going to come flooding in. You're going to make more money, right? That's exactly what's going to happen. So I generated 33 leads already with this. So that's really good. I'm generating leads every day that I create content. I noticed I didn't create content for 2 days. I didn't generate any leads. So that's really all it is. Once you get your funnel set up, right? You spend 15 minutes a day just detailing your journey on social media, and it's going to work, right? You just got to have the belief. Now, once again, for this case study, I'm only using Instagram to keep it simple, right? I just want to keep it simple, straightforward, easy to track. Imagine if you created the same journey video every day, but you uploaded it to 4 platforms instead of 1. What if instead of just Instagram Reels, you also uploaded it to Facebook Reels and TikTok and YouTube Shorts, right? Would you get 4 times as many leads, 5 times as many leads? Not only are you increasing your reach, but you're increasing your reach by a factor of 4, or you're increasing your odds of going viral by a factor of 4 because a video can perform differently on different platforms. So you see, if you use this beginner's advantage, detail in real time, and share across 4 platforms. I mean, I don't know what the odds are, but I would say as long as you don't give up, they got to be close to 100%. I mean, obviously I can't guarantee that, but it's incredible. So if you want to do this, what makes the most sense first, right? The affiliate marketing education program. I am promoting Legendary Marketer. They pay $1,000 commissions for their blueprints. I also have a course which you can join for free. It's the 90-minute affiliate challenge. You can also promote this if you want. The cool thing about this is, you can send people to a free course, generate leads, and hopefully get more interest and hopefully grow your account faster. The cool thing about Legendary Marketers, they pay much higher commissions, so you could make more money with 1 or 2 sales. But regardless, the first thing to do is choose one of the products, right? Affiliate education program. Go through it, learn it. You can go through my free 90-minute affiliate challenge, learn this, start teaching this. Go through Legendary Marketer. They have a business builder challenge. It's really inexpensive. You can go through that, start learning that. Then create your funnel. Okay, your funnel is your automated conversion system. This is where you send all your traffic. It can be a little bit confusing, but it's really not that hard. It's drag and drop software. But once that's done, it's done. It's just sharing the journey. That's all you have to do, because the automated systems take care of everything else. If you want to copy my funnels, right, I created 2 different funnels, so you can just one-click import them. They consist of the websites that pre-frame leads and capture the emails and email follow-up sequences to help you increase your conversions. What you want to do is you want to go to the 90-minute affiliate challenge, which is the free course linked below this video, right? After you enter your email, you're going to be given this one-time offer page. If you want this, it's only $9, and you can actually copy my funnels. You can clone my funnels, right? Once you get inside the 90-minute affiliate challenge, this is going to be free regardless. The 8 secrets that helped me make $400,000 last year with affiliate marketing. You can go through these lessons. They're about 10 minutes each. Some are a little more. This is going to teach you affiliate marketing. This is going to be the basis for your initial content. But if you took the upgrade, right, down here, you can either clone the funnel that allows you to promote my free course, or you can clone the Legendary Marketer funnel that allows you to promote Legendary Marketer. Both of these not only have the website built for you, but they also have the pre-written email sequences, right? You just import them into your System.io account. System.io is free to join, right? So your software is free to get started. Then you just start driving traffic to this. I show you how to do everything in these step-by-step setup videos, depending on which one you choose. But the point is, there's nothing to it but to do it. Like, I'm not trying to sell you on a $9 funnel, right? That is there for your benefit. I'm not trying to sell you on a $7 online business builder challenge, right? That's there for your benefit. What you spend after that is up to you. But that's how you get started. You become an affiliate for one of these 2 programs and detail your journey. And you can see the content is outperforming, right? I mean, it's up to you, right? If you're not doing it, then, there's no easier way to do affiliate marketing. Maybe you're not interested in creating business. I don't know. But if you are, affiliate marketing, I've been doing this for 11 years. I've been doing pretty much every business model online for a long time, and affiliate marketing is the easiest and the most beginner sees success. That's the formula. I showed you the content that's working. If you promote Legendary Marketer, there are thousands of affiliates creating content. All I'm doing is modeling them, and you can see those videos did the best. So that gives you unlimited content ideas, right? Where you just create videos, no talking, just text, and send people to your funnel. Then do 2 videos a day, as a matter of fact, on 4 platforms, right? Create it once, download it from TikTok, or create it outside the app and upload it to 4 different platforms. It only takes 15, 20 minutes. Detail your journey, do 1 voice or text over video. And I mean, the results, like I said, I can't guarantee anything, but how could they not come, right? It's really exciting. You should be excited about this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, because I'll keep sharing this journey. But this was incredible. Like, those 2 types of videos, 1 a day of each of them, it's what's working. Going forward, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to create 2 videos a day. I'm going to create 1 update video. I might skip a day if I'm busy or something, but for the most part, I'm going to create 1 update video, and I'm going to create 1 clickbaity text over video, right? 7 seconds, 10 seconds, based on what's proven to work for Legendary Marketer. And I think I'll hit $2,500 within the first 60 days. We'll see. I don't know. But momentum will start picking up. And it's really exciting. You should be excited about this too. So if you want to get started, the easiest thing to do is just go to the free 90-minute affiliate challenge. I'll go ahead and link it in the description of this video or right below it if you're watching this somewhere else. But I'm excited, right? Like the case study is going great. We've determined the type of content that works. It's the easiest type of content to create. And now I just be patient. Stay excited. Keep sharing my little wins like this. Like I just identified the type of content beginners need to create with proof, right? This isn't theory. This is proven. So I hope you're excited about it. Go check out the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Subscribe to the channel so you can see case study updates. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you soon.